welcome to the new YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can build agents using Agno and Groq API. So let's consider both these things and see how you can build your own agent. In this agent, I'm building one financial agent. It will research about the stock we have given and give some recommendations. Initially, I got this inspiration from Krishnaik video where he built the similar thing with PyData, and PyData was changed to Agno. So we'll be seeing how you need to build similar setup in Agno. Okay, let me start with the Agno. So agno.com. So as you see, this is the trending AI agent builder where you can build multiple agents, and also it supports multiple APIs and all. So you can build high performance agents, knowledge and other tools. So there are so many other tools are available in agents. Let me know if you're not sure about tools, right? Maybe we can discuss in the other video. So you can build and ship also. You can also monitor the performance of the agents we build. Everything with the script in Python. Okay, so agent is one thing we need, and we need agent API key. Maybe let me log in. So I already log in, that's why we are able to see, we are not able to see the login thing. But to get API key, go to the settings, and here I already created a API key. So you need to copy that, or else you can regenerate. If you want to create the new one, you can create new one. And the other things we needed Groq. So Agno is like a agent builder, right? Whereas Groq you can use as API calls, you can access any LLM. So there are all the major LLMs, all the LLMs are available with just the API calls. Okay, this one thing you need to have. For that you need to have the API call. Let me log into console, and I already logged in. Maybe let me go to the API key. So I will give you all these links in the YouTube link. So here you can click on create API key. It will ask for the name, but I already created this. I'm not providing. This is the agent I have given, this financial agent. This is my key. You need to copy this key and keep it ready. Okay, I think that's all. Maybe I'll open the script and walk you through the settings. So these are the initial libraries we need. OS we need to include, and .env, that's where we are storing our credentials and all. And this is Agno setup. Agno we are importing, and this is for Groq. And as I mentioned, right here we're building a financial agent. So given any stock name, it has to research about the stock, and it will give some recommendation. It needs two things. One is to search about the stock on web, and the other one some financial metrics you need, right? For Google, for search and all, we are using DuckDuckGo. For finance relating, we are using Yahoo Finance tool. Both the tools are available. Suppose you want to see what tools are available in Agno, right? You can go here, go to the docs, and if you see here, all the sections are there. These are all the tools we have. Toolkit. So Gmail, we have GitHub, and all these agents are available. Let's say we have like Zendesk, Slack also is there. Okay, I think whenever you get time, you can go through this link. So let me go to the script again. So I initialize the packages which I needed. Then we need to get the credentials load env. Basically, you need to create .env file. I already created .env file. I have like Groq API, Agno, OpenAI we need. So these are the three API keys we need. Anyhow, these keys are not correct. These keys won't work. But this is how you need to create it. Okay. And let's go to the main. The first thing we need is we need a web agent for any given stock, right? It is able to research about the stock using the web agent. That's the first agent we are building. Simple. You need to call this agent function. It needs what was the name of the agent we are giving, and what was the role, and it's more like instruction, and what model you want. You can change with any model. So you can get this ID from Groq. Go to Groq, and here, right, you can call anything you want. Okay, these are the things I've given. So you can copy this and you can paste it in your script. Okay, so now let me Then tool, what tool we are using for that? So that we need providing DuckDuckGo, and instruction is always include source. This is one of the instruction we are giving whenever it is researching, right? We want the sources also. Show tools call is true and markdown is true. Okay, this is the simple setup we need to keep. Now we build a web agent. Next we want financial agent. That's the second agent we are building. Same function agent, but we are changing the name and we are giving the role, analyze the given stock, and the model also I'm using the different one. Now you can change whatever the model you want. The tool we want is Yahoo Finance, and what we need stock price and also analyst recommendation and stock fundamentals and company. These are the things we need, and we provide instruction. So how you will know these tools and these parameters and all? Go to Agno documentation again. I'm going to Y Finance. Let me go to Y Finance tool. If you see here, right, you will get to know what parameters it is having. So Y Finance. Y Finance tool. Just checking from here. So Y Finance tool. Okay, so this is how you need. See, it has tools, and in tools what we not need, right? You can just copy paste this, but you can change according to your requirement. You can change it. So these are the other list of parameters we have. Okay, so yeah, so let me go back here, and we build this agent also. Now our agent has to use these two agents, basically multi-agents we are building. So there is a main agent we will give that we need to mention as a team. So it need to use the build web search agent and also financial agent, and we are giving what is the instruction we need to do, and markdown is true. Okay, once it is completed, we need to initiate this, we need to run this. Basically it need what are the response we are getting, that we're planning to print response. What is the instruction I have given? Summarize analyst recommendation and share the latest news for Apple. For Apple, we're trying to check this. Okay, so and it is true. So let me run this script. I've opened my terminal here. So let me check where I am. PW. Okay. Let me go to documents. I already created an environment for this. So, environment. The environment name is financial agent. If you're not sure how to create an environment, let me know, or else you can refer my blog link. So Agno and data. Okay, so this is the link you can refer. So that's where we already written all the details here. Okay, maybe in the same blog link I will give how you can create the environment. Okay, so let me go back to the terminal. Now I need to activate the source financial agent bin activate. Okay, now agent was activated, environment is activated. Let's go to the location where we have the script. Okay, cd projects generative AI projects. So where we have financial agent financial agent with, as I mentioned, right, initially it was with Py data, now it was changed to Agno. So now we are in the location. So let me run python main.py. Okay. So it started analyzing thinking, basically summarizing for the Apple one. It's